Hello all, let us start with the next topic, that is function from your unit 3. So how will you define function? It is a block of statement that performs a specific task. So you can take one example, that is addition of two numbers. So addition is a task where it can add two numbers. So suppose you are building an application in C language, and one of your program that you need to perform a task more than one times, means you have to add uh, more numbers using a same block of statement. So in such a case you can have two options. You can use the same set of statements every time where you want to perform the task, or you can create a function that perform the task, and you just call it every time where you need to perform that task. So there are two types of functions available in C. First one is the predefined standard library functions, and second one is user defined functions. Now what is predefined standard library functions? So stdio is your library, or it is a header file in which inbuilt functions available like printf and scanf. So you can call it as a predefined standard library function. That means we just call that function whenever we need it. And the second type is user defined functions, and these functions that we create in our program by our own. Now why we need these functions in our C? It improves readability of our code. Also the reusability of the code can be improved. That means same functions can be used in any program rather than writing the same code from scratch. Debugging of the code would be easier if you use same functions, and it reduces the size of the code. Now let us take one example. Suppose this is my program for addition of two numbers. So this is my task of adding two numbers. So if you need to add another two numbers, so if you use option A, that means you can again write this code and then change your variable names. So it is possible addition of four numbers. That means you are performing two different tasks in same program. But it is not possible for more cases. That means if you need to add 10 set of elements, then it is not possible to paste that code for 10 times and again make changes. So you can use function in this case. So how to write function? So follow this syntax to write a function. First write down the return type, then your function name with argument list, curly bracket open, it will contain the set of statements or block of code, and then curly bracket close. So take one example. First we'll focus on what is return type. So already you have used one return type, that is void. When you are writing any C program, you are adding void main or integer main. So main is your function name and integer void are your return type. In this case you can use integer, double, character, void, short as your return type. Suppose I am using integer as my return type. Now next step is function name. So you can use any meaningful name as your function name. Suppose for addition I am using add as my function name. Now in this braces you have to add argument list. So what is argument list? It contains variable names along with their data types. So for addition I'll require two variables. So I am using variable names with data types. So it is declaration of my function add. Now next step is what? Block of code. So block of code is your statement blocks that you need to use or need to add to perform your